OnePlus recently collaborated with McLaren and launched a special edition OnePlus 60 called the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition. And the phone does come with some special software customizations and a heavy price tag of 50,999 rupees as well. But what if we told you that you can make your regular OnePlus 60 look like the McLaren Edition, at least on the inside? Well, in this video, we tell you how to make a regular OnePlus 60 look like the OnePlus 60 McLaren Edition without root. Let's get started. First of all, you'll need to make sure that you switch to a dark theme and match the accent colors to that of the McLaren Edition. To do that, go to Settings, Display, scroll down a bit, then tap on Theme and select Dark. Now go back, tap on Accent Color and select Orange. The next step you need to do is to get the stock wallpapers that come with the McLaren Edition. To download them, click on the link in the description below. Once downloaded, unzip them in the file manager. Then head over to the home screen, tap on an empty space, tap on Wallpapers. Now click on My Photos and select the wallpaper of your choice. We chose the orange background as that's the one set as default on the McLaren Edition. The OnePlus 60 McLaren also comes with one new ringtone, two new notification tones and two new UI sounds. To download them, head over to the link in the description down below. Once downloaded, extract them in the file manager and then you can head over to settings and set these new sounds as your default ringtone and notification tone. Now that we have changed the theme, the wallpaper and the sounds, the only thing that's left is that cool new fingerprint animation. To get that, first of all, download the Settings Database Editor app from the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app, select System Table, and scroll down to look for a line OP Custom Unlock Animation Style. Tap on it and then tap on Edit Value and enter the number 3. Hit Save Changes and exit the app. That's it. Now whenever you unlock your regular OnePlus 60, the unlock animation will be the same as the one found on the McLaren Edition. Do note, to apply this fingerprint animation setting, your phone needs to be running on Oxygen OS 9.0.9 and above. So be sure to update your device to the latest software before proceeding. Sadly, you cannot configure the camera sounds as well as change the boot animation using the method we provided because the process requires rooting your smartphone. And that's been about it for this video. We hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.